Assalamualaikum, opor ayam nanas siap santap ala dapur Ita Yudis. Nah, ini salah satu varian ya, masakan khas Palembang. Opor ayam yang ditambah dengan nanas. Wow, rasanya luar biasa. Asik, manis, gurih, lemaknya. Yang mau order, silakan ya. Hubungi Ita Yudis 0813 6770 2798. Ditunggu, terima kasih.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your